Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am Krissy, and we are coming at you pre-recorded today because we have family out of state that's in town this week. We really wanted to spend some extra time with them, but I still wanted to spend time with you too and bring you a craft. So we are going to record this, and we are going to be doing a fall craft that says fall. And let me show you the packaging. I got this at Hobby Lobby, of course, and it came in a package like this, and you can see the little sticker down here. The price was $7.99 with 40% off of that, so fairly reasonable. And we are going to paint these three letters copper, and I am using a folk art metallic copper paint, and I believe this came from Hobby Lobby too. But you could use any color you want, whatever goes with your decor. And then for the leaf, I wanted to do something a little bit special. And in last Monday's live, I talked about how pretty I thought this green paper was. So I found a use for it, and I'm going to put it on the front of this leaf. So I think the copper and the green are going to look so good together. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our letters copper.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Our next step is to cover the face of this leaf with our paper. So I'm going to put it on just like this, put it face down, and then I'm going to trace around the leaf, and then that should give me the correct shape.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, under.
Alright, the reason why I did it on the back is so I could see my lines. They would disappear on me if I tried to do it on the pattern part. So now I'm just going to cut this out, and I'm going to cut on the inside of my lines. That way it'll fit better on my leaf.
for a clear view before the day is done.
Alright, so I'm going to make sure it's lined up, and I am just going to hot glue it.
When you're head over heels in love, no need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night.
I love this. This is so cute. I love the green color with the copper, and they are completely finished out. There is one thing I think I might want to add, and that may be some twine. So hold on, I will be right back with some twine. I brought 2 different sizes, and I think I'm going to wrap just this middle L right up here, and then maybe make a bow with the thinner twine. So let's see how that looks. I'm just going to glue it on the back to hold my twine. And I'm going to do just a few wraps, nothing too crazy. I think we're going to end there. And I'm going to glue it onto the back again, just to hold those 2 ends in place. So that's what that will look like. And then I'm just going to make like a bow like you were tying your shoes. But maybe, I don't know. Let's play. So I just wrapped the thin stuff around my fingers a few times, and then I'm going to tie it in the middle. Alright, so then we just have a cute little bow like that. We'll see if it's too much. Oh, I think that's super cute. Love the tails. So I'm just going to place a dab of glue right there in the center in the front and attach my little bow. Alright, so look how cute! Oh my goodness, that's perfect. I don't want too much because it's going in with other decor and it might be too busy or get lost if I do too much. But feel free to add whatever you want. If you have fall buttons or lace or ribbon, whatever matches your decor, these would be super cute. And of course you can pick different paper or paints. Actually, the sky's the limit on this. So you guys go have fun, and I hope you try this because these pieces of wood are really nice, and the copper turned out gorgeous. So you guys go and have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.